Hello, everyone. Forecaster Andre Brooks of the USA Severe Weather Network, and we are in continuing coverage of what is now Tropical Storm Gordon. And as you can see here, there are very strong storms in the center of Gordon right now. And you can see the feeder bands that's feeding into the system as well. This is showing that this system is very healthy right now. And this is the infrared satellite, which shows colored cloud tops, which means the stronger the cloud tops are, the brighter they are, and vice versa. So this system is well on its way of getting itself together and getting stronger, and I would not be surprised if this became a hurricane over the next 24 to 48 hours before making landfall in the central Gulf Coast. Currently, right now, there are tropical storm warnings for Florida and the northern Gulf Coast, and hurricane watches in effect for the northern Gulf Coast as well. So let's check it out on the aircraft recon, and they have been doing an excellent job this morning with the aircraft. And let's check out a refresh page. They haven't updated in the last 20 minutes, but they have found some tropical storm force winds within this system, so this is indeed a tropical storm. I would not be surprised if this is a 50 to 60 mile per hour tropical storm. They cannot fly on land right now because of the friction of the plane and of the land with the storm, so they're flying along the coast of Florida, but there's indication that this storm is probably pretty strong right now. And the current stats of Tropical Storm Gordon is winds of 45 miles per hour. As we click this map here, give it a time to load. Okay, this the current stats for this system is 45 miles per hour and is moving west northwest at 16 miles per hour, and the pressure was 1,009 millibars. This was named at 7:20 this morning by the National Hurricane Center when they found a west wind and very strong winds within this system. And as we move along here, there are tropical storm warnings in effect for southern Florida, and also some tropical storm warnings in effect for the northern Gulf Coast. And if you look closely, there are hurricane watches in effect for parts of the northern Gulf Coast as well. So that's going to be watched very carefully because, again, with favorable conditions, low shear, low dry air, relative humidity around 80 and 90%, this storm has a very good chance of becoming a hurricane if it slows down a little bit. And as we can see here, as we move along, excuse me one second, as we move along here, we have the spaghetti plots here, and a lot of the spaghetti plots are taking it into the Gulf Coast, so there is a very good agreement with this system for it to be in the Gulf of Mexico for at least 24 hours, at the most 48 hours, and this is going to make landfall in the central Gulf Coast. Hello everyone that's joining in at this time. And like I said, this system has a good chance of becoming a hurricane, so depending on how slow this moves, these spaghetti models are going to probably draw back more into the Gulf of Mexico. So again, take these spaghetti models, with a grain of salt, because they sure can change over time. So again, let's look at the current satellite one more time to be able to check it out. And as you can see here, again, there is a good, strong, definite circulation off the coast of Florida, along with a lot of showers and thunderstorms activity within this system. And gusty winds, heavy rain is always a possibility. So let's check some of the local weather statements and see what's going on. We have a lot of tropical storm warnings for parts of the southeast, including parts of southeast Louisiana, really a majority of it. And also we have tropical storm warnings for coastal Mississippi, and along with that we have flash flood watches for these regions as well, with this storm bringing 3, 5, even 8 inches of rain. So that's always a possibility. And as we move along to the next region, they also have alerts issued. So let's move along here. And according to the Mobile, Alabama area, we have some tropical storm warnings and flash flood watches along the coast and a little inner counties. So guys, this is going to be very, very crucial. This is going to be the time today to be prepared for this system, because again, things could get dicey. And I just saw a comment saying that this is a northeast wave system. Yes, the stronger side is the northeast side, but do not ignore all the quadrants, because again, all quadrants are just as strong to bring any type of effects, such as rainfall, wind, storm surge, and tidal waves. So again, this storm is capable of becoming a hurricane depending on how long it will go into the Gulf of Mexico. And the track shifting east, well, they shifted just a little bit east, but overall the consensus is there, because this system is going to be riding along a high pressure system, and this system will ride along it and cause a landfall in Louisiana or Mississippi or Alabama, depending on that position of the high pressure system. So we're going to continue to keep you posted here at the USA Severe Weather Network, and we're going to continue to keep you posted. We're in storm alert now, and everyone, please stay safe and please be prepared. This is the day to prepare for your hurricane kits and preparedness plans. That being said, I'm forecaster Andre Brooks, the USA Severe Weather Network. Continue to like and subscribe to my channel, Andre Brooks, and continue to like and share our weather pages on Facebook and Instagram, USA Severe Weather Network, and we're going to continue to keep you posted throughout the afternoon and within the next few days until the storm effects are finished. Thank you and have a great day. God bless you.